Just an update. I am leaving for New Zealand tomorrow. At this stage, that is all on hold.
Proudly sponsored by LifeTech.
Hi and welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a while since our last video and I said I was going to put some up with things been happening. The world's a bit crazy at the moment. Everyone's talking about the war in the Middle East and fuel prices and can we travel or can't we travel, and a lot of opinions on that. Anyway, just an update. I am leaving for New Zealand tomorrow. It's a trip that's been planned for a few years and booked last year. So a bit of a family reunion. It's been a long time since I've seen the family. So that is going ahead, hopefully all is well. Hopefully we'll have enough fuel to get back. So I'll be over there for a few weeks. As far as my trip further afield, when I get back, I was going to go on a 6-month solo trip. At the moment, I've decided to put that on hold. We'll wait and see in a month's time what's going on with fuel prices and all of that sort of stuff. There's different opinions on, is it irresponsible to travel using your fuel and your diesel and all that sort of thing. Others are saying, caravan parks are saying, please come. We are reliant on your income, you for income, basically, in the small towns, saying don't stop coming. But we'll wait and see. We'll just play that one by ear, and we'll leave it for another month or so. But at this stage, that is all on hold, so we'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, what we've been up to in the part of the reason we haven't been posting and haven't been doing a lot recently, as you can see behind me, we've got a bit of a driveway happening now, or happened. There's still a bit of work to do in that centre part. Behind me over here is the other caravan and a wall. And I might just have to spin that camera around a bit to give you a bit of a bit more of a look. But we've been fairly busy, so I'll just turn the camera around and film a bit of what we've been up to. So we now have a bit of a level place to park the caravan, or one of them at least. Got some nice stairs going up there. Got a flat area to park the cars, which we didn't have before. The Hurricane's still up there, but we're going to level this off a bit. There's still a bit of a work in progress there. Level that off and we might be able to park the other caravan up over there. We'll just see how we go with that. But this is not asphalt, there's a second-hand asphalt profile. It's come up pretty good. A lot of work went into it. I'll just walk around here and you can see our major retaining wall. Oh, this is not a retaining wall, it's a rock wall, rock garden we've put in here. Fair bit of work's gone into that, so yeah, it took a lot longer than we expected. It was about a 6-week job, and around the back, we've got the toppings on here. Nice little pathway down there. So yeah, it was a bigger job than we expected, but this is our home base. Got our water tank here, solar panels on the roof, batteries in the shed. So we're kind of off-grid. Got a Starlink, actually got that sitting up on the roof at the moment. So this is where we're at. So anyway, that's the update for now. I'm off to New Zealand tomorrow. Then we'll see what happens as far as going on a bigger trip. That's on hold for the moment, so we'll just wait and see. Anyway, that's all for me for now. We'll give you a bit of an update and see you on the flip side. So if you can, get out there, do some travelling, have fun, stay safe, don't do stupid shit. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.